excited to know about the top 5 nations in the countdown order where medical registration tests are the easiest to complete? Okay, then let's jump in and stay tuned till the end. So number 1, we have New Zealand. On the 5th rank, we have New Zealand. Apart from an incredibly unique climate, culture and geography, New Zealand offers a rich education system and career growth. The New Zealand Registration Examination, or NZREX, evaluates practical knowledge and abilities with an abundance of study resources to prepare for the same. Now, how exciting it would be in your dream job with a beautiful scenery background and sipping a cup of coffee all along. Now, the United States of America. Considering the bright life of the US along with the excellent career opportunities, the USMLE, United States Medical Licensing Examination, is a systematic exam with clear instructions for international doctors to practice in the big city life, occupying the 4th spot in our list. The big buildings and workspace in the US make it a perfect destination for work with leisure. Now we have is Dubai. The Dubai Health Authority DHA exam offers assessment for doctors, which opens doors to lucrative job opportunities in prestigious hospitals, clinics and medical facilities across Dubai. It secured the 3rd position on our list of easiest registration exams in practice medicine with the high-class resources. The tax-free income in Dubai is a big plus for you to make up your mind. Now we have the United Kingdom. With its thriving culture and history, the UK welcomes doctors very generously. The Professional and Linguistic Assessments Board test, PLAB, or now the UKMLA, makes sure that doctors with the right skills and knowledge get a chance to practice in the UK with high-end educational material and salary structures. This exam is considered to be the 2nd most easiest for medical professionals. And now at the top of this list, we have Australia. Australia, well known for its breathtaking scenery and high standard of living. It offers a clear and easy enrollment process for foreign graduates. The Australian Medical Council AMC exam takes a check on the practical as well as the theoretical knowledge, giving out various sample papers and notes to prepare with. This test is considered to be the easier as compared to other nations around the globe. And also, who would not want to work with minimal assessments and a great perks? Now, which country exam do you think would be best suited for you to practice medicine? Post your ideas in the comment section below. And if you think an overseas medical career is your calling, you can sign up for any of the registration exam preparation courses offered by Academically. With our specially curated courses, you can get assistance with every step of the process, training from industry experts, networking opportunities, and much more. By filling out the forms given in the description below, you can get a free one-on-one consultation with our career experts. Now with this, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on healthcare education and professional guidance. I'll see you in the next. Till then, happy studies and